So tell me a little bit, what is this golden visa? And अभी उन्होंने जो लिमिट कम करी है, वो क्या है वो पूरा प्रोसेस?
Golden visa, earlier you were getting at an investment of 10 million, right?
In
In
business,
real estate.
in real
Or
estate.
only skilled, like a doctor
Okay.
or a really nice, good startup
Or scientist.
or scientist.
Okay.
But now they have changed the protocols for it. It's only 2 million. With the investment of 2 million, you can get a golden visa, which is 10 years.
So 2 million dirham is how much
2 million
rupees?
dirham is approximately, आप समझ लो 4.5 crores.
4.5 to 5 crores. तो अगर आप 5 करोड़ की कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी लेते हो तो यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर गोल्डन वीजा, या और भी उसमें कुछ लूप होल्स हैं?
No, there's no loophole. In
कोई
fact,
नहीं
you
है।
don't have to pay पूरा 4.5-5 crores right now.
Okay.
What you need to do is, let's say you have bought a property which is a off-plan property also.
Okay.
अगर वो आपकी प्रॉपर्टी 2 million की है, आपका उसमें 1 million भी paid up है,
Okay.
around 2.5 crore rupees भी paid up है, you can still apply for golden visa and you get it.
Okay. So what is this golden visa? उसका क्या फायदा क्या है, और क्यों लोग इतना फैसिनेट हो रहे हैं गोल्डन वीजा के लिए?
It's a 10-year residency.
Okay.
Even COVID में अगर आप देखेंगे तो people had green visa, people had golden visa. These were the two visas that were there.
They don't give passport,
They
but
don't
they
give
give you a 10-year visa.
Residency, yes.
But वो 10-year visa तो US भी देता है, but दुबई में ऐसा क्या खास है?
So in that 10-year visa in US, it's a visit visa.
Okay.
It's not a resident
It's like
visa.
a tourist visa.
It's a tourist visa. You can travel. This is your resident visa.
So I can live here for as long as I want.
Yes.
And I can get the facilities that a resident gets.
Yes. That you get in your green visa also.
Okay.
But in golden visa, there is no limit that after every 6 months you have to travel. And in COVID, golden visa holders were the first who were allowed to travel, and then the category comes down to green visa.
Okay. So golden visa के वजह से I think काफी investment हो रही है यहाँ पे.
जी.
And you just mentioned off plan. Off plan क्या होता है?
Off plan is basically India में I think बोलते हैं उसको payment plan property.
Under construction.
Under construction property.
Okay.
So that is off plan here.
So जो property अभी ready नहीं हुई है और जिसके आपको payment plans मिल जाते हैं, that is an off plan property.
जी. और एक और चीज है दुबई में जो इंडिया में नहीं है in real estate, which is post handover payment plan.
अच्छा.
So this was very new for us to even understand कि ये है क्या. It was too good to be true. And this is a property that we started exploring back in India. So it was pay 10% now. The property is 100% ready.
Property is ready.
100% ready.
अच्छा.
Pay 10%, take the keys.
Oh, excellent.
And 90% you pay over 7 years.
अच्छा, how is that possible? वाकई sound too good to be true.
Yeah, it's actually, and it's interest free. एंड या तो बैंक से कोई मॉर्गेज करेगा प्रॉपर्टी खरीदने के लिए, या फिर डेवलपर ही उसको पेमेंट प्लान दे रहा है. एंड ये वो वाला पेमेंट प्लान नहीं है कि डेवलपर ने पैसे बढ़ा लिए एंड इंटरेस्ट चार्ज कर लिया एंड उसके बाद ये वाला प्लान दे
कॉस्ट ऐड कर दी.
दिस इज जेन्युइन. 10% though, you get the keys, you put it on rent, you live there. Even the house that I live in, it was on a payment plan. So we booked it. Till the time we moved in, we paid only 50%. It's been 1.5 years since we are living in that house now, and I still have 1 more year to complete my payments.
This is very new and this is very exciting कि आप प्रॉपर्टी में रह भी लो,
जी,
आपने जिसके अभी पैसे भी नहीं दिए
जी,
या आप उसको किराए पे भी चढ़ा दो
जी,
और रेंट से ही आपकी जो प्रॉपर्टी की वैल्यू है वो पे होती जाएगी.
जी. ऑलमोस्ट अगर आपका रेंट आता है उससे आपकी 50-60% इंस्टॉलमेंट आपकी कवर हो जाती है.
Oh, excellent. This is new.